Spray brush tool. The spray brush acts like a real sprayer, which we use in day-to-day life like painting our house. It allows us to use patterns of shapes onto the stage in just a single click. But we have to create some patterns. Now, by default, the spray brush emits a spray of dot particles using the currently selected fill color. Select Spray Brush tool, which is under the Brush tool, or press the letter B twice on the keyboard, which is the shortcut. Look at the Property panel and we can choose color from the Fill Color option or by clicking on this glob, and it will open a panel containing Basic and Custom Color. Choose any color from Basic or give a value, otherwise choose from here, and then click Add to Custom Color, and it will be added here, and then just go ahead and click OK. Click Spray Brush on the stage. It will emit dot particles with the chosen color. Looks rather nice, doesn't it? Yeah. Now let's discuss about its properties. The properties of Spray Brush are Spray Symbol, Edit, Fill Color, Scale, Random Scaling, Width, Height, Brush Angle. Now we'll discuss all these options after creating patterns. Next, let's see how to create one. We can use the Spray Brush tool to apply a movie clip or graphic symbol as a pattern. Now don't worry, we'll discuss what is meant by a movie clip and graphic symbol in a later chapter. Now place a star on the stage. Select the object and then right-click, and we'll get an option box. In that, choose Convert to Symbol option, and it will open a dialog box. For name, just give star. Type will be movie clip, and then click OK. It will create a pattern, and shown in Library panel. Select Spray Brush from the tool brush. Next, we'll see how to use the created pattern. In the Property panel, Spray Symbol option displays which symbol is going to emit. Click on Edit, and we'll open a Swap Symbol dialog box. It shows the pattern which we created before. Select Duplicate Symbol icon to duplicate the same pattern. Then click OK. Spray Symbol shows the pattern name. To emit the default particle, select Default Shape. Then we have Scale Width. Scale is the width of a symbol used as a spray particle. For example, a value of 10% makes the symbol 10% narrower. A value of 200% makes the symbol 200% wider. Scale Height scales the height of a symbol used as a spray particle. For example, a value of 10% makes the symbol 10% shorter. A value of 200% makes the symbol 200% taller. Random Scaling. This specifies each symbol-based spray particle placed on stage at a random scaling and altering the size of each particle. This option is disabled when using the default spray of dots. Rotate Symbol. This option rotates the symbol-based spray particle around a center point. Random Rotation. Specifies each symbol-based spray particle is placed on the stage at a random degree of rotation. Now this option is disabled also when we use the default spray of dots. Now just spray the brush on the stage and see the effects. Wow, it's displaying our pattern. Next, Brush Width will show you how many dots or pattern must be emitted horizontally, and Height will show you how many dots or pattern must be emitted vertically. Just increase or decrease by clicking and dragging our mouse. Now spray, and we can see the difference. That's the Spray Brush tool. Please note we can even draw any shape using Pencil and Brush tool, and we can convert them into a symbol. Now in this lesson we've learned how to create a pattern and use a created pattern. Therefore, I hope you understand and use this brush because it's quite useful in decorating a web page.